So today we're going to see how to add a subdomain to our A2 hosting shared account. So we're in our A2 hosting dashboard. We'll click on cPanel login. And we're going to go to the icon that says subdomains. The easiest way for me to remember how to find it is just to simply search for the word subdomains. But you could also remember that it's found under the domains heading. Either way, we'll click on subdomains. And where it says create a subdomain, we're going to put the name of our subdomain. I'll put the name example. I'm going to click outside of it so that it'll pop up here, example dot, and then our domain name. Any word you want to use to name your subdomain instead of example you can use. And you can see down here, here are some subdomains that we've already created on our account. So now that I've put in the name of my subdomain, it filled in how it's going to show up, how we're going to find it. I'll click on create. And it's been created. And that's all you have to do. Thank you.